Your student's iPad has an app called the SPS Portal. This is what you will use to log into your student's learning materials. It is black and red. When you open the SPS Portal, you will enter the student's username and password. Their username is generally their first last name, but this is not always the case, especially for students with longer names. Please contact your child's teacher for their usernames if you have problems logging in. Once you have entered their username, you will enter their password, which is the first two letters of their last name, followed by their student lunch number. Please remember to capitalize the first letter. Once you have entered that, tap Go. This will log you into the student's portal. Here you will see the applications they will need for school. The iReady application, which is orange, green, and blue, can be clicked on to access their iReady math resources. You will be logged directly into iReady. The same thing is true with Think Central. However, for some applications like Google Meet or Classroom, when you click Meet or one of the other Google apps, it will require a separate password. Click Meet to see how this works. When you sign into Google Meet, you will need to approve the use of the camera and the microphone. You will also need to enter your student's username. Followed by the @ symbol, sps19.org, and then click Next and enter the password. Once you've logged into Google in one application, once you click it, it will log you back in again. You'll notice that a separate tab opened. When you are finished, you can close that one tab by clicking the very small X. You'll again see the portal. If you wanted to log in to Google Drive, you would click Google Drive. It's very important that you close these tabs when you are finished. When you get ready to log into iReady, it will again open more tabs. Each time that you finish using an application, you will need to close the tabs when you are finished. In some cases, you may want to move back and forth and have multiple tabs open at one time. This is fine, but it may become confusing for students if you have opened too many tabs and have not closed them. When you're finished for the day, use the small icon in the top right corner to see all of your tabs. Click the small X on the top left of each of the windows to close out the tabs. Click your Home button to return to the main screen.